How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 70.5 Camaro RS Z28. Gorgeous car. Previous owners owned the car since '06. Gorgeous car, done in a torch red, black stripes. See all the bumpers, the grille, everything's in excellent condition. It's got the chin spoiler on it, just looks really tough on these cars. Paintwork is very slick. Straight, flat down the sides. Just a cool car. It's got the factory wheels, BFGs. It's got the short spoiler like it should. See the rear bumpers all been redone. It's also got the accessory bumperettes. See how flat and straight it is down the sides. It's got the dual sport mirrors. Driver's side is remote. Got a nice 350 in it, 4-barrel. It's got a Holley aluminum intake. It's got the factory dual snorkel air cleaner on it. It's got your power steering, your power disc brakes. It's got the heavy-duty radiator in it, all the correct shroud. Very nicely detailed under the hood. It's got the factory exhaust manifolds into a factory type dual exhaust with a transverse muffler. It's got a Muncie 4-speed. It's got the deluxe interior. It's original door panels and stuff. There's a few little marks here in the driver's door panel. Otherwise, very nice. It's got tilt wheel. It's got the factory gauge package with the tack. Everything. Headliner looks really nice. Got the front and rear seat belts. Got the correct front seats, correct 4-speed console. Just a super nice car. Trunk's all real nice in the car. It's a good solid car. They did a AM/FM CD stereo with remote here in the back. It does still have the working AM radio in the dash. So all the jams and everything are really nice on the car. Trunk light works. Headliner's really nice and tight. Dash is all in excellent condition. This door panel's in excellent shape. We'll fire it up. Thing fires right up. Very nice car. All the side lights work like they should. Got a good sound to it. It's just a super nice car, guys. I put about 60 miles on this car myself driving it. A lot of fun. Handles great. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.